Now the next topic we have is area of triangle. See, we already know the area of triangle formula is half base into height, but this is valid only when there is an angle of 90 degree. Height is 90 degree given. This will be your base, this will be your height, and half base will to height. When 90 degree angle was not given, we learnt about Heron's formula in order to find area of triangle. But Heron's formula was valid only when the distance, the triangle is there, when the distance is rational numbers. What will happen if the distance between the two points becomes irrational? So we'll find the formula area of triangle. See, these are the coordinates of triangle ABC, A, B and C. So this is coordinate x1, y1. This is x2, y2, and this becomes x3, y3. What I'll do is I'll drop a perpendicular from these points, extend x and y. Label them as Q, P, R. So, in order to find the area of this triangle, I can write it as area of triangle ABC is equals to area of trapezium EQPB plus area of trapezium BPRC minus area of trapezium AQRC, because this is including this plus this and minus this. This will include this. Area of trapezium is half of sum of parallel sides into height. So this will be the parallel sides. So what are these parallel sides? y2 plus y1. This is y1, this is y2 into QP. Now we have to find QP. This complete is x2, this is x1. So this will be x2 minus x1 plus half of y1 plus y3, because this is trapezium BPRC. This complete is y2, this is y3. So this will be y2 plus y3, and this distance total is x3, this is x2, so it becomes x3 minus x2. So minus half of trapezium AQRC, that means y1 plus y3 into this complete is x3, this is x1, x3 minus x1. So if we will open these brackets, this will come out to be half common x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. This is in a cyclic order. This is the area of a triangle. If I write x1 y1, this is first coordinate, x2 y2, and this is x3 y3. So first write x1, then y2 minus y3 plus, now write this x2, cyclic order, y3 minus y1, and then if I write x3, then a y1 minus y2, and do this half. This will be our area of triangle. So example 11 we have is find the area of a triangle whose vertices are 1 minus 1, minus 4 comma 6 and minus 3 comma minus 5. So first we know area of a triangle is equals to half x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. So x1 here is 1. I'll write x1 is equals to 1, y1 equals to minus 1, x2 is equals to minus 4, x3 is equals to minus 3, y2 is equals to 6 and y3 is equals to minus 5. So just we have to substitute the values over here. 1 minus 1, sorry, y2 6, minus of minus 5 plus minus 4 minus 5 minus minus 1 plus x3 is minus 3, y1 minus y2. So minus 1 minus 6. So 6 plus 5 is 11 plus minus 5 plus 1 is minus 4 and minus 4 into minus 4 is 16 plus minus 1 into minus 6 is minus 7. Minus 7 into minus 3 is plus 21. So this gives us 7, 8, 48. That is 24 square units. Next, area of the triangle formed. So x1 is 5, y1 is 2, x2 is 4, y2 is 7 and x3 is 7, y3 is minus 4. So the formula is x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. So this gives us 5 into 7 plus 4 is 11 plus 4 into minus 6 plus 7 into minus 5. 55 minus 24 minus 35, which is equals to 55 minus 59. So half into minus 4, which is minus 2. Since area cannot be negative, so it can be written as 2 square units. 13th example, find the area of the square. So half minus 1.5 y2 minus y3 plus x2 4 minus 3 plus minus 3 3 minus minus 2. So this gives us minus 3 by 2 into minus 6 plus 6 into 1 plus minus 3, 3 plus 2 is 5. So 2, 3, so that gives us 9 plus 6 minus 15. 9 plus 6 is 15, 15 minus 15 is 0. So since area of the triangle is 0 square units, that means these 3 points are collinear in nature. If the 3 points will be collinear, then only the area of the triangle will be 0, because the triangle is not formed. 14th, find value of k if points A, B and C are collinear. That means area of triangle ABC should be 0, then only the points will be collinear. So x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus 6 3 minus k. So which is equals to 0? No. 2k, 2 into 3 is 6. 3 plus 3 is 6 minus 24 plus 18 minus 6k is equals to 0. So open the brackets. 2k minus 6k is minus 4k. 6 plus 18 is 24. 24 minus 24 is 0. Is equals to 4k is equals to 0. That means k is equals to 0. Example 15 we have been given 4 vertices of a quadrilateral. That means here it is given A, B, C, D. A is minus 5, 7. B is minus 4, minus 5. C is minus 1, minus 6 and D is 4, 5. We have to find the area of this quadrilateral. So we can divide it into 2 triangles. First we will find the area of triangle ABC. That means half minus 5 minus 6 plus minus 4. So minus 6 minus 7 plus minus 1, 7 minus 5. So that gives us minus 5 plus 6 is 1 minus 5. 6 plus 7 is 13. 13 into 4 is 42. So plus 42. 13 into 4 is 52. Sorry. 7 plus 5 is 12 minus 12. This gives us 52 minus 12 is 40. 40 minus 5 is 35. I'll just check if I made a mistake. Minus 5 minus 5 minus 6 plus minus 4 minus 6 minus 7 plus minus 1 7 minus 5. So minus 5 minus 5 minus 5 into 4 is 12. 52 4 is 12. Yes, I'm 40 thick. So 35.2 square units. Now I'll find the area of triangle ADC. Half minus 5, so minus 6 minus 5 plus minus 1, 5 minus 7 plus 4, 7 minus 6. So half minus 5 into minus 11 will be plus 55. 7 minus 5 minus 7 is minus 2 plus 2. 6 plus 7 is 13. 13 into 4 is 52. So minus 52. Sorry, plus 52. So that gives us 4 and 5, 9. 109. So the total area will be 35 upon 2 plus 109 upon 2, which is equals to 14. 144 upon 2, that is 72 square units. Just remember, you have to apply the formula and then substitute the values, so your answer will come. Thank you.